Hi, I'm Mark Hadley-Smith from Quantic, and I'm here today to talk to you about Microsoft Dynamics 365. Since its release in early November, there's been a lot of buzz in the market about Dynamics 365, and I'm here to discuss a few salient points to help you understand what has changed and the benefits around that. Some people say that Dynamics 365 is just a merger of CRM and ERP. Well, it's more than that. It's ERP times CRM. It's a merger of all of its constituent parts, and it's even bigger than that. It's an explosion of business productivity. If we first understand what has changed since Dynamics 365 was released. First of all, there was Dynamics CRM with the sales, market and care functionality, as well as the field service and project service automation. And those are now the Dynamics 365 for sales, for customer service, field service, project service, Enterprise Edition. Dynamics AX, or the new AX as it was called, is now Dynamics 365 for operations. Project Madeira, a light version of Dynamics MAV, is Dynamics 365 for financials. And Dynamics GP, NAV and SL still remain as they were called, Dynamics GP, NAV. There are two flavors of Dynamics 365. There's the Enterprise Edition and the Business Edition. The Enterprise Edition takes the sales, customer service, field service, project service automation, marketing data from Dynamics CRM, as well as the operations that was Dynamics AX. And that is the Enterprise Edition, which integrates with Office 365 as expected, as well as Power BI, Intelligence Suite, and the Internet of Things and all the Azure stack that you have access to. As well as also the new functionality released around the Power Apps and Flow, and also the Common Data Service that ties all of that nicely together. On this slide we can see all the functionality that we have access to related to the different modules, from the sales all the way down to the ERP, the operations side, and accessing all of that. The Business Edition houses the financials, as well as sales, inventory, project management and purchasing. However, at the moment only the financials functionality is available, with the sales and marketing being released in spring 2017. Now if we look at the licensing for Dynamics 365. It's important to note that when you license Dynamics 365, it doesn't matter how you access it. You can access it from a mobile device, a desktop machine, or anywhere that you have access to a web client. With the Enterprise Edition, we're concentrating on that. There are team member licenses that are light users, and they have the ability to read data anywhere in the Dynamics 365 stack. For full access, there's the ability for licensing on an application basis, so just taking the sales or customer service or project service or just the operations element. And you can license more than one application for a single user, or mix and match. But the true power comes from when you license a plan. A plan comprises a number of these different applications. So with Plan 1, you have all of the applications apart from the operations side. And if you need operations, Plan 2 will give you all of that. So you'll be able to access the full suite of functionality. And if we look at just the Plan 1 license, the benefits there being that you don't need to have a minimum number of users. You can have any number for that. And the applications bundled together are not just the Dynamics 365 elements, but also the Power Apps and Flow, social engagement. You have access to Office Online, so Word and Excel and PowerPoint, and also Project Online and the desktop client as well. But also in Dynamics 365 Plan 1, you have access to a portal and a non-production environment if you license even just one user, which used to be over £400 a month. So if you speak to Quantic or refer to the licensing guide via the link, you'll be able to understand more about Dynamics 365. Thank you very much.